Presenting a pre-owned 2016 GMC Yukon SLT. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable O transmission. This GMC has less than 171,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.